Star.
Hi, Star. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, good job. Star, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Good job. Are you hungry, Star?
No,
No. Okay. What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Pizza. What color do you like?
I like
Color. What color do you like?
it's blue.
Blue. What's the color of banana?
Yellow.
What's the color of apple?
Orange.
Apple.
Apple.
Color. Color.
Green.
Color. What's the color? Yes, correct. Apple. We have green apple too, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Now look at this. Star, tell me what's the letter and what's the sound?
Letter S sounds. Letter T sound.
Sounds.
Sound. Letter U sound. Sound. Letter V sound.
Okay. Star, listen to teacher. Letter S sounds. S. Sounds.
Sounds.
Okay. Letter T sounds.
Letter T sounds.
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 Next.
Letter U
Sounds.
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 Next.
Letter V sounds.
Good. Next.
Letter
W.
W sounds.
Good job. Next.
Letter Y sounds. The Y sounds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Letter Z sounds.
Next.
Letter
Letter. What letter is it? X. Star. You don't know this? Letter X sounds.
Letter S sounds.
Again.
Letter N sounds. Letter N sounds.
Okay. Practice, okay, Star? You have problem with the letter and sound. Okay, here let's talk about sounds, okay? And tell me which picture that has S or sound. Which picture?
Starfish.
Correct. Next. Is it?
Watermelon.
Correct. Next.
The vegetables.
Correct.
Zigzag.
Nice job. Next. Let's move on to the last part. Picture description. Okay, ready? What animal is it?
It's a seal.
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 Okay, what's the color? What color is it? What's the color of the seal?
Yes.
What's the color of the seal?
It's blue.
Blue. Okay. What's the beginning letter of the word seal?
Letter S sound.
Okay, good. Now let's move on to this. Is this a bird? Yes or no? Is this a bird? No. What's this? Star?
Sound.
Sun. Good job. Next, is this an elephant?
No.
What is it?
Fox.
Fox. What's the beginning letter?
Letter
X.
S sound.
Good. Here. What animal is it?
Fox. is wolf.
Wolf. Good. What's the beginning letter?
W sound.
Good job. Here. What animal that has z sound?
Sound
What animal?
is zebra.
Very good. What animal that has sound?
Sound.
What animal that has sound? Let's see. Yeah. What animal is this?
Duck.
Well, you cannot answer, Teacher D. What's the letter?
Yeah.
What's the beginning letter, Star?
The Y sound.
Yeah, okay, good. Next. What animal that has sound?
Monkey.
What animal that has sound?
Tiger.
Very good. What animal that has sound? Lion.
Lion.
No lion here. Can you see the lion? No lion. Only tiger. What place is this? This is a
Zoo.
zoo. What's the beginning letter?
The Z sounds.
Letter Z sounds. Good job. That's the end of our speaking test. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Star. See you